Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Roblox Studio, access to audio uploads, and basic familiarity with Lua. Open your place and create a new sound object in Workspace. Name it clearly so you can reference it. Once done, paste the audio asset ID into the sound ID property, and set loop to false for clips. Make sure to save a backup place before scripting. This immediate setup gets you past friction and lets you test playback while you build the room logic. You now implement the room controller. Add a server script that stores a queue table and functions play next in queue and dequeue. Use remote events so players can request songs, validate ID server-side. Once done, attach a single sound instance to a persistent object and have play next set sound. Sound ID and call play. Make sure to handle end events with sound. Ended, connect to trigger the next track. This structure centralizes control and prevents conflicting playback from multiple clients. Finish by creating a simple UI that sends remote event requests for play, pause, skip, and queue ads. Make the server script authoritative. Once done, run multi-client tests to confirm synchronization and fix race conditions by queuing requests. Make sure to set proper volume and max distance on the sound for the room experience. If playback fails, check that the sound ID is exactly //ID, that the asset is permitted in the place, and review server logs for permission or script errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.